Limitation of Newland's octave. Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. He is a father of periodic table. He has given the systematic arrangement of elements. Mendeleev gave the first systematic classification of the elements, which was based on well-defined periodic law. He found that when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses, the elements of similar properties occur after certain intervals. On the basis of this observation, he gave a law which is called Mendeleev periodic law. According to this law, Mendeleev periodic law, the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. What is Mendeleev periodic law? The properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. So this is the Mendeleev periodic law table. In this, columns are called groups and rows are called periods. There were 7 periods of rows and 8 groups are there. There is no mention about inert gases. That inert gases were not discovered. He found that the elements of same group have similar chemical properties. Mendeleev indicated groups in his periodic table as Roman letter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The elements of first to 7th groups are divided into subgroup like A and B on the basis of their similar chemical properties. In group 8, only 9 elements were present, which were arranged in the form of triads. So the designing of Mendeleev periodic table was based on two properties. What are the two properties? Increasing atomic mass and elements having similar chemical properties that having same chemical formula of hydrides and oxides should be grouped together. If you see the first group element, what is the formula for oxide? R2O. What is the formula for hydrides? RH. R stand for element. So for example, if you see that third period first element, that is Na. What is the formula of its oxide? Na2O. What is the formula of its hydride? NaH. So what are the two criteria Mendeleev has taken? Increasing atomic mass and elements having similar chemical properties that have same formula of hydrates and oxides. In your textbook also it is given. Look at the textbook and learn. Mendeleev left some gap for undiscovered elements. These all the one are merits. Mendeleev named the predicted element as adding prefixes Eka. Eka means 1. So Eka boron. First boron is discovered. So Eka boron, he left the gap between first boron comes and that unknown element, he has left the gap for the future discovered element. That unknown element was named as Eka boron. Later on it was found as it is scandium. So Eka aluminium. Eka aluminium is gallium. Eka silicon is germanium. So he has left some gap in between the periodic table. So Mendeleev placed some elements in wrong order of atomic mass to make sure that elements having similar chemical properties should come in the same group. For example, he placed cobalt and nickel in a same slot, but that atomic mass cobalt is slightly larger than the atomic mass of nickel. So these are the merits of Mendeleev periodic table. There are the limitations or drawbacks of Mendeleev periodic table, that is anomalous position of hydrogen. Hydrogen has been placed in group 1. It resembles with alkali metal in some of its properties, but it resembles halogens in some other properties. So the position of hydrogen in first group was not justified. And the position of isotopes, because he has taken the criteria of atomic mass. So isotope means, what do you mean by isotope? Element which have same atomic number but different in atomic mass. So during the time of Mendeleev, the isotopes were not discovered, but after the discovery of isotopes, it was difficult to explain the position of isotopes, as Mendeleev classification was based on atomic masses. If the Mendeleev periodic law is followed, then these isotopes like isotope of oxygen 16, 17, 18, isotope of carbon 12, 13, isotope of hydrogen 1, 2, 3 would be placed at different places, though they have same chemical properties. And atomic masses of some elements are misplaced. Similar elements are in different groups. There is no correlation between elements of subgroups. Subgroup like A and B is there. There is no correlation. So cause of periodicity is not explained. Some of the periodicity is not explained in Mendeleev periodic table.